In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dark mode on Cloudflare. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments, Cloudflare makes it simple to switch. I'll walk you through the process clearly, explain where to find the setting, and point out what to do if you don't see it right away. By the end, your Cloudflare dashboard will be using a clean, readable dark theme. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing into your dashboard. Once you're in, you're looking for the place where Cloudflare lets you change how the dashboard looks. Many users will see an option for appearance right from their account menu. This is typically accessible from the top corner of the dashboard, where your user menu lives. If you spot appearance there, go ahead and select it. In the appearance screen, choose dark mode. As soon as you make that selection, your dashboard will switch over and the change should apply immediately across the interface you're currently using. If you don't see the appearance option right away, no problem. There's a second equally simple path. Click on Profile. This takes you to your account's profile section where Cloudflare groups personal and interface preferences. On the profile page, look for the appearance area. It might be listed alongside other preferences, but it's clearly labeled. Open Appearance, then select Dark Mode. Again, the change should take effect instantly. You'll notice darker backgrounds, higher contrast text, and a theme that reduces glare while keeping everything readable. This setting affects how you experience the Cloudflare dashboard. It doesn't change anything about your websites or visitors, so it's completely safe to adjust. As you make the switch, give the dashboard a moment to update. Some pages may refresh to apply the new theme consistently. If you navigate to different sections like DNS, security, or analytics, the dark styling should follow you throughout. If you ever don't see the option where you expect it, remember the two places to check: the direct appearance option in your account menu or the appearance section inside your profile page. One of these will be available depending on your layout. And that's all it takes to use dark mode on Cloudflare. Open your account, check for the direct appearance option, or go through profile and select dark mode. Thanks for watching and enjoy the more comfortable viewing experience.